Happy Tuesday. This week I decided to vlog with the Sony A5100. I love the quality of this camera. Always vlog with the Sony RX100 Mark V because it's compact. Waiting for Darren. We are going to have a fun-filled afternoon. Any guesses where we are? We're at Six Flags. I think this is the only day this week where it's gonna be sunny. The rest of the week it's supposed to be a little bit warmer but cloudy. Go on some rides. Yes, I love Six Flags. So we just went on Wonder Woman Lasso of Truth. One of those old school rides. It makes me dizzy. It makes me kind of nauseous. This is like my second least favorite ride here at the park. Number one being the Green Lantern. Don't close my eyes, I will get really nauseous. We're back in the car. It was fun. Our last ride was X2 and that's always the best. It was freaking cold. I'm gonna go have dinner with the hubs. Tofu, broccoli, rice noodle, regular pho. Now you know it's Darren's because there's no greens except lime. For dessert, Thai tea boba. Good morning, you guys. We had my cup of hot water with lemon. I'm gonna start my day and we got some stuff to do. Bless you. And I think I'm still gonna go out to like happy hour dinner with my previous coworkers. Start our day, let's get some coffee, get some breakfast going. Bye, have a great day.
Bye.
I'll see you later. I have here my wheat waffle with almond butter and bananas. And just finish up my breakfast and get the day started. I have 2 videos I need to edit that need to go up this afternoon, and I gotta make sure I finish everything by 2 p.m. This afternoon was really productive. Now we're gonna go have happy hour dinner here at Xoxo-san, and it's a little bit windy, so hopefully you guys don't hear any wind noise. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. I am waiting for Darren. He gets out on Fridays at 11:40, and I think we're gonna go grab early lunch. Going to BJ's. We were trying to ask Darren if he wants to go to Creation, which is all the way over there, but we haven't been here in a long time. I think it's been a couple of months, so it'd be nice to go have some of their food. Clam chowder for the hubs. Can I have a little bit? Just like one little bite. No. This, you guys, is so good. Hold on, let's try one. I'm sure it's hot. Hey! What Darren always gets. It's the Parmesan encrusted chicken with, you don't want the broccoli?
Hell no.
Chicken barbacoa, brown rice with black beans, full rack of ribs with a side of rice pilaf. Thank you. I shall see you later. Guys, so we are back home. Let me first go ahead, take off the jacket. Let's cut back to the footage when we were out by the bridge and I was just kind of panning and playing around with the camera. I wish I would have vlogged it, but I actually wrapped the tripod around a stop sign, and that's kind of where you guys were propped up. Really had fun and just kind of enjoyed those 10 minutes and just got as much B-roll footage as I could. It was that golden hour, the sun was setting, and I just really wanted to get like some good footage for the vlog. Sometimes I think it's good to step away from things for a few days and just look at things from a different perspective. That's actually what I did for the past couple days. Watch some of the older vlogs, and you know, I wanted to kind of see where I was a couple years ago and where I am now, things I want to kind of incorporate back into the vlogs, and things that I kind of think I could also cut out. It's always good to keep learning, so that's also what I did these past couple days. I watched different vloggers and just got inspired. I needed like some new ideas, not saying, you know, that I'm gonna copy those ideas, but kind of translate it into my own way. So that's what I can honestly say I took from this week. It was definitely a way to kind of step back, look at things from a different perspective, and learn and grow from it. So yeah, I don't know, maybe that was like too much to say. I really want to take the vlogs in a different direction, and yeah, we will definitely be touching more on different topics as the weeks go on. I'm going to import some of the footage, and I'm just waiting for the hubs right now to pick me up, and we're gonna go run a couple of errands. Saturday night, and the hubs and I are gonna go get some like cappuccino, crepes. In our area, everything closes at like 4 p.m., 5 p.m. So Coffee Bean, Starbucks, or this other place. Not that there's anything wrong with those places, but I mean, you know, I wanted something where, you know, they make a cappuccino for you and they put like that really cute design on it. Yelped it, and there's a place, it's in Thousand Oaks, it's called 507 Coffee Bar and Eatery. We've never been there before, so we're gonna go check it out. And plus, the good thing is that they're open until midnight. So we happen to find a seat at the bar, and it is like seriously packed in here. So we have some mixed reviews. Hubs really... Okay, he didn't really like the coffee. I liked my cappuccino. The crepe was good. Did you like the crepe?
Hell no.
Okay, so he really didn't like the place. And I guess it's like... There was a string in the crepe. I mean, we didn't complain or anything. It wasn't anything else. I would literally give this place a 7, and I would give it a second chance. I would come back again and, you know, try something else. I liked the crepe, I liked my cappuccino, and it's local. We're back home now. Got my jasmine green tea from Trader Joe's to kind of detox, and we're gonna chat for a few minutes. Try to just get straight to the point. So really the gist of this week was to get hands-on with the Sony A5100 for vlogging purposes. This is an awesome camera. I really love it. I think that this camera, the Sony RX100V, which is the vlogging camera I've been using for the past like year or so. I've been using it for quite some time. I've had it for a while now. I really like this one because it's compact. It's got the 180 flip screen, has really good image stabilization. However, it does kind of crop out the background, so you don't really get a wide angle like when you're out there and you're vlogging, which this camera, the Sony A5100, has that component. However, it's not the best with image stabilization, so you really gotta try to keep the camera steady. The camera has more of like a cinematic effect, where it kind of gives you more of like that depth of field. So you have the bokeh in the background, and just the colors seem like they're more vivid, which I know you can still manipulate that in post. What do you guys think? Should I continue vlogging with the Sony A5100 or go back to the Sony RX100V? Because with this one, I feel like you just get a lot of my face and you don't really get too much of the background, which I like to incorporate that because, you know, we're vlogging. Gotta like see the scenery behind me and all that. So I don't know, leave me your thoughts, your comments. Let me know what you guys think. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I really hope you guys had a really great week and enjoyed this week's vlog. Don't forget to go ahead and hit that like button as well as the subscribe button in case you guys are new here. Greatly appreciate all the support. I'm super thankful for you guys, super grateful, and just so humbled that you guys take the time to watch the vlogs. Have a really great positive week ahead. Love you guys, and we'll see you guys in next week's vlog.